Hi, my name is Dolly Calapez, and we're going to talk about some dégagés. I'm here for DanceTeacherWeb. The thing that I like about this combination that you've just seen is that not only are we working on shoulder stability, but we're also working on that quick pop-up of the passe for pirouettes. Because when we do a pirouette, your leg doesn't crawl up, it actually pulses up quickly. So that's what I like about this combination. All right, we're going to face the bar. And the first thing is, remember we did shaping the foot in the tendus, so we're going to do our 4 dégagés to the side, 2, 3, and 4, 2 relevés, springing up and down and uphold. Okay, so I like springing because there's a catch at the top where you really have to hold yourself. When you do this, it's not bad, but there's that crawling up and down where there's like adjustments that can be made by the student. I want you to be there and feel those inner thighs gather together. So then the 2 relevés, and we transfer our weight to the other side. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2 spring relevés, and 7 and 8. So changing from side to side. Using the bar for the combination that we saw center makes it a little bit easier, right? So the students can transfer their weight back and forth with a little bit of assistance with the bar. The bar also maybe gives them a little bit more idea of where their hands are supposed to be, not gripping but pressing down into the bar. All right, then we're going to go front and back cloche and 2 and 3 because we're in a 4 count, right? Plie, relevé, plie, relevé. So on this part, you can come down. So on this part, what you normally see from the student is this response of the shoulder, the opposite shoulder to the leg. So that's what I like to concentrate on, is really your back core. So if she's using her right leg, the back core of the left side engaged in the scapula, really depressed and pushing down into the lower back. Yeah, so it's engaged into the spine. So she goes to the right, and then again to the left, front and back and front, plie, relevé, plie, relevé, plie. So talking about the shoulders and talking about the spring relevé. Now we're going to do the dégagés to the side, the passe. 1 and 2 and 3, hop down, and 1 and 2 and 3 and stop. Good. So that is, it's a quick movement, and we're just folding. So when you practice doing a passe, really you're just, the hips is almost like marching, but you're marching turned out. So this is giving that same kind of feeling to that marching. Okay, so now we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is kind of a rubrics kind of mind game. And the other side, 1 and 2, so they have to concentrate. And 1 up, and 2 up, and 3 up, and 4 up. And then 4 dégagés, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 relevés, 6 and 7, 8. Balance at the end. Good, so both of my students are from UNLV. I want to say that. This is Kaylee, and the other student that you saw was Haley, and they'll be alternating and be coming back and helping with more demonstration. Thank you.